Hello, we're gonna work a Wildlife Third Grade worksheet, lesson 21 today. So first of all, we're gonna tell if each figure will tessellate and write yes or no. So number one, we have triangle. So when you say tessellate, it means that when you draw the shapes out together like this on the grid, it should stick to each other without any gap between. So like in this case, the triangle, this is equilateral triangle when you call it. So when you put with other one together, there's no gap like this. So this one's yes. For number two, this is an example of the figure that doesn't tessellate with each other. So let's draw it. It's an octagon, and when you place it with other octagon, it'll be like this. And since there's gap here, right here, space, it's not tessellating because there should be no other space, so you should stick like this right here. So no. And same for circle. There's so much space left in between, so this is no. And for number four is rectangle, and when you put it together with the other one, it's like this, right? So this is yes. And for this one is square. You put together same as a rectangle. It's gonna be like this. So yes. And number six is we need to draw it out. Should be similar to the octagon one. So pentagon, when you put it together, there's space in between. So this is no. And number one is name the solid figure that each object looks like. So this one is called pyramid. So it's like 3D shape that has like the side of the triangles. And the bottom is actually the square or a rectangle. It's like this. So it should look like this. So this is called pyramid. Number two is it's square on the one side. It's like this right now. This is called cube. Cube has 6 sides of the squares like this. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, this is cube. And this is sphere. So it's like actually same as just circle technically, but this is more 3D, so it's gonna look like this. So this is called sphere. So there's like, you know, like when you look at the bottom, it should be like this. And next one, which solid figure has a face shown? Write A, B, or C. So for this one, let's see. So for this one, we have 4 sides of triangles and 1 square. So just like I told you for pyramid, it has 4 sides of triangles like this and 1 square in the bottom. So bottom one is like this. And it's like that this is front, this is the second, and this is the third, and the fourth is the behind. So this is called pyramid. And for number two, it's a lot of rectangles. So it's like big rectangle here. And this one is gonna go on the bottom and the top. And these two will be on the side. So it's like this. And when there's rectangles like this for all the sides, we call this rectangular prism. And that's it. And next one is word problems. So Lily is organizing her toy blocks. She has 3 cubes, 2 rectangular prisms, and 1 cylinder. How many solid figures does Lily have in total? So we have 3 cubes, 2 rectangular prisms, and 1 cylinder. So just 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. So she has 6 in total. And Tom is building a rocket using different shapes. He uses a cone for the top, a cylinder for the middle, and a cube for the base. How many solid figures did Tom use to build his rocket? So he uses a cone, so 1, and a cylinder for the middle, so 2, 1 here too, and a cube for the base. So it's same as 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So 3. And number 3 is Emma is making a pattern on her notebook. She uses only hexagons to cover the page without leaving any gaps. What is this type of pattern called? So she's only using the hexagons to cover the page. And remember what we did for the section 1? We're finding tell if each figure is tessellate. So what we call this is tessellation. And last one, number 4. Daniel is tiling his floor. He notices that the tiles are all squares and they fit together perfectly without any spaces. Is Daniel's floor an example of tessellation? Why or why not? So for this one, all squares and they fit together perfectly without any spaces. This means yes, because tessellation requires shapes to be perfectly fitted with each other as in one type of shape. So yes, and that's it. Thank you.